10 tips for starting your own business, a must-watch. Tip 1. Start with a solid business plan. This is your roadmap to success. Tip 2. Understand your market and your competition. Knowledge is power. Tip 3. Secure funding. Whether it's through savings, loans, or investors, make sure you have enough capital. Tip 4. Choose the right business structure. This can affect your taxes, liability, and more. Tip 5. Register your business and get the necessary licenses and permits. Tip 6. Set up your business location. Whether it's a home office or a retail space, make sure it's suitable for your needs. Tip 7. Build a strong online presence. In today's digital age, this is crucial. Tip 8. Hire the right people. Your team can make or break your business. Tip 9. Market your business effectively. Use a mix of traditional and digital marketing strategies. Tip 10. Keep learning and adapting. The business world is always changing, and so should you.